Hey everybody, welcome to Simple Invoices. My name's Chase. I will be your guide through this web tutorial to give you an overview of how the software works for those of you who have purchased it, and give you kind of an idea of how the software works for those of you thinking of purchasing it. This is a very simple, easy, quick, and efficient way of invoicing and billing clients. Let's get started. Right here, your first tab, it's called Customer Raw Data. As you can see, this is built on Excel. We chose Excel because it's the most widely used spreadsheet program in the world, accepted by business professionals everywhere, and it's pretty easy, simple tool to use, and it's very powerful that you can build your own custom sheets and tracking and anything else to go along with this program. And that's the beauty of Simple Invoices. You can build upon it, remix it, do whatever you want. So let's show you how it works here. So we already have a couple in here. Simple Invoices, Bill Plowman, their addresses, made up, email, phone, and then you can add your own columns in, track your own data. So we come over here to figures. You can see that it's going to automatically populate it, but let's just put one in here for fun. We'll do Zell Freeman. She's going to automatically pop up customer ID 3. Okay, so you can see we've already done a couple jobs here. Let's take Bill Plowman for example. We did custom logos and graphics for him. Right here you have, this is your expenses, a quantity, fixed cost, track your costs that are going along with this job, and then over here is what you're actually billing. You got hours and inputs and then a rate. And on this job, it took us 8 hours. We billed them $65 an hour. As you can see, the total is $736. We had some fixed costs too. Here let's see here. Let's do one time. To do this, we billed them $450. And you can see how it's working. Let's show you how you would add in. So you're ready to add a new customer. Click this button, populates it down there. Click it as much as you want to bring as many new columns, rows that you need to add your data. Let's say you have too many. Put this right here. You click this button. It's going to confirm it. Say, you sure you want to delete this? Yeah, we are. Okay, let's make up another job here. So we'll do one for Bill Plowman. Let's say we designed custom logos. Well, let's do this one. Let's say we built custom online website. So we had a let's here. We had a one-time cost. It's our quantity one. Fixed cost $120. We set up the web hosting fee for him. And we said we build him a flat rate. So we put our one right here. We had an agreement. Our bid was $850 to build this website. So we have $970. Right here, this is the most important. This column right here, it's called bill. When you're ready to bill, you've completed the job, you simply put an X right there. You can see that it's put it up accounts receivable 970. It's keeping track of your gross, your profit, everything else, and it's gonna let this tab over here, invoice, know that this guy's ready to be billed. So let's say we put it in there, we come up here, we click this button, table sort. It's gonna sort our data. It's very simple, very easy, very nice. Puts it back up here where you should belong. And that'll do that for anybody, any customer all the way through here. Alright, let's say we're ready to start invoicing. I come over here, I click this drop down arrow. It's got a filter on it. See how it says X? Click the X. And okay, we only need to bill one customer. But let's change that. Let's put all back up here. Let's say we need to build. Let's say we finish this design custom logo, so we're going to put an X here, and then I'll bring this back up. It shows the two jobs, customer ID 2. So okay, let's start billing invoice. Okay, so there's Simple Invoices. Let's get rid of that. That was just a custom note. As you can see, we don't have an X on them. No X, no 1, so it's not going to pull any data, so you know that nothing's happened. But 2, it's working. Bill Plowman, there's his information, there's the amount he owes us. Design custom logo, there's all the stuff. Here's our cost. Let's say we want to add a custom note here. Going to put This was for the web hosting. Well, we'll do 120 was for the web hosting. There you go. There's a note. He knows that. He sees where it's coming from. You can print it off, mail it to your customer client. If you're emailing, that's easy too. There's a tab over here called Email Invoice. See, it's already pulled up. Same stuff going on. Change it to, you're ready to email. Click this button, Email Invoice. It's going to automatically load this up. When you're ready to do this, it's important that you have Outlook running first. It's set up and it's running in the background. There's my Outlook. It's running right there. So I'm going to email this to, we'll email this to My Simple Invoices. I'm going to put invoice. Hey, here is your email invoice. Thanks. Simple Invoices. Click send. Boom. It's done. It's quick, simple, easy. Only took a few minutes. The beauty of this is almost every email service provider has the capability of reading Excel spreadsheet documents. You don't have to worry about converting to PDF. You can still do that. Let's say you want to save this invoice. Click this button. It's going to bring up this little save. You can save it. You can put it in a document. Do whatever you want. Over here we have just a few other invoice templates set up ready to run for you. This one is set up where you type in your information. If you want to do it longhand, we have some bids. You can see that it's pulling in all the customer information data right here. And some other stuff. Here's an employee expense calculator. If you have employees, something we included for free. It's got these tabs right here, columns, tracking the taxes and other things that will affect employees' pay and wage, and it's going to give you a total down. It's going to give you a total right here. Net pay, that's how much you'd pay him. It's easy to run, simple. Let's see here. Let's say we're ready to take our filter off. Let's say they've paid. When they're paid, you got to come over here. Let's say this guy, he paid the 450. He paid the 970. And then you just delete that. And you know that you don't need to bill them anymore because this has got data right there. So you're ready to go. Let's see if that email came through, shall we? Oh, there it is. It came through. Okay. Hey, here's your email invoice. Thanks. Simple Invoices. 12:08, sent 1 minute ago. So let's go. Let's view it. Okay. Email from Simple Invoices. Okay. $1,420. Came right to their email inbox. It was simple. It was easy. They can download it. They can view it. They can open it as a Google spreadsheet. And it'll work perfect. This is a very simple, easy, powerful invoicing program. It's only $9.99. We scoured the internet. We couldn't find a program that was designed and did this, had all these capabilities for $9.99. We know that you're going to like it. That'll really boost your time in invoicing your customers and clients and keeping track of your company's books right here as well. This is a very powerful tool. The beauty of it is you can customize this however you want. We don't have any restrictions on our software, proprietary software in that regard. You can customize it, alter it, adjust it, do whatever you want, play with the formulas. However, you do that at your own risk. We're not held liable if something goes wrong. But we'll email you a new program if your formulas get a lot of whack and crazy. But it's protected right now to keep that error from happening so you don't ever have to worry about that. But when you click this button, you do it at your own risk. We advise you to not do that and just keep it working how it is. Thanks for your time. We hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Have a great rest of the day, and we'll talk to you later. If you have any questions, please email us at mysimpleinvoices@gmail.com.